You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today, I'm going to show you how I made these pleated chest and pocket designs. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. Meanwhile, if you've not joined my WhatsApp platform, I have dropped the link on the comment section. This is neither an accordion pleat nor crystal pleat, but this is a fancy pleat. And of course, fancy pleat comes in various dimensions and shapes. So you can form this pleat by catching the fabric just at the tip. You can make it as tiny as possible. The tinier it is, the better it looks. I'm running this one with about 1/8 of an inch. That is half of 0.25 of an inch. While running it, make sure that you give an equal spacing. The 3 pleats are okay. I'm going to smoothen it, add interfacing and fold to my desired size. This is where I'm going to slide it in through. I've ironed it and also added interfacing and folded. So I'll put it in there, hold it down with hemming gum. The essence of this is so that it will not ship, because I'm going to run the thread inside. It's going to be invisible threading all through. So I've already made this loop and I want to fix it here, so that I will fix a button there. I will gently raise it this way so that I can run the thread from under. Make sure the loop doesn't shift. Then I'm going to run this other thread. It will also be invisible thread, but just watch how I'm going to run the thread. Remember, I bent this, so I'm going to lift this up. Remember that this thing is very tiny, but no matter how tiny it is, I will just lift it up and sew very close to the pleat in such a way that the little pleat will cover the threading. there's no thread showing anywhere on top of the design, so I'm going to lock this place. I have another loop here which I want to fix just directly opposite the pleat, and I'm fixing it from under here. If you're getting value for your time here, please give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So I will go and smoothen it, and we are done with the design. The next we are going to do is the pocket. The dimension of this pocket is 5 inches by 6 inches. I'll go ahead and make my fancy pleat. Remember to keep it straight and maintain equal distance in between the pleats. I'll smoothen this and do another pleat horizontally. Remember that we are making these pleats on the front part of the fabric. So let's go and smoothen it. Now this is the reverse part of the fabric, the wrong part. Here is the center. Here I'm also going to fold this gum to get the center of it. Bend it this way. Then I'll notch the center off. I will now place it here, making sure that I'm seeing the chalk I marked earlier. That's to ensure that there's the center. Then I will now go ahead and gum the pocket and fold, which I've just done. If you want to learn about another type of fancy plate, click on the link showing right now on top of your screen. I have also dropped the link on the comment section. Then I'll go ahead and add my label to it. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch other amazing content.